Setting up a React app on Windows. Hey there, flocks. Welcome to today's tutorial where we are going to walk you through setting up your very own React app on a Windows machine. Don't worry if you are new to this. We will go step by step and make sure you are up and running in no time. So let's dive in. Install Node.js. Alright, the first thing you will need is Node.js. It's the backbone of your React app or React setup. Open your web browser and head to nodejs.org. Click on Downloads tab and choose the version that recommends for most users. Once the installers downloads, run it and follow the prompts. Right, easy. Install Visual Studio Code. We need a code editor. Head to code.visualstudiocode.com and click the big green download button. Once it's downloaded, run the installer and just like before, follow the prompts. Create a new React app. Now let's dive into the exciting part, creating your React app. Open up your command prompt by pressing the Windows key and type cmd. Navigate to your desired folder using the cd command. Once you're there, type in npx create React app and your app name and hit enter. Then this will create a new React app with all the necessary files and folders. So now in step 4, navigate to your apps folder. With the apps created, use cd your app name to navigate into your app folder or go inside the folder. Then it's time to start the development server. Type in npm start and hit enter. This will start the development servers and open your app in your default browser. You'll be able to see the app live as you make changes. Isn't this awesome? So congratulations, you have just set up your very own React app on Windows. From here you can just start building amazing user interfaces and dive deeper into the web of whole development. Remember, it's all about learning and experimenting. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tech tips. Happy coding and I'll catch you in the next video. Thank you very much.